How to use multiple Instagram account and phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can use multiple Instagram account and phone. If you want to use multiple Instagram account in your phone, then all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first of all you have to do is just open up your Instagram application. And once you open up your Instagram application, this is how the home page is gonna look like. Now first thing, you have to tap on the profile icon and then go ahead and tap on the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner. As you do that, you need to scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Scroll down right to the bottom, and there you'll be able to find add account. Just go ahead and tap on it, and here it's going to ask you whether you want to log in into the existing account or create a new one. If you want to create a new one, just tap on the create new one account and you can begin with the procedure of creating an account. Or else you can just go ahead and tap on login into existing. If none of these accounts are the one, then you can just go ahead and tap on none of these and you can create or add up a new account. And that's how you can use multiple Instagram account in the phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.